Turn on power supply. Select language. Put feeding product. Test product thickness. Tighten when turned counterclockwise. The product can pass smoothly, but with a little friction then is okay. Adjust the left and right limit baffle according to product size. Adjust support plate to lift the product. For more better feeding, put one product first. Adjust the product with 45 angle, then put in. If meat feeding jamming, can turn on the vibrator. Connect air. Vibrator speed adjustment switch. If product pass through too loose, then adjust counterclockwise. Otherwise, if too tight, then adjust clockwise. The best is product can pass smoothly, but with a little friction. Same method adjust here. Measure product length. Measurement result. Allowed deviation length. It will alarm if the allowable deviation length is exceeded. Set feeding speed. Set feeding quantity. Set pause time. Now adjust finish. Test the feeding accurate. Take out 3 pieces. Re-put the product. And recheck the feeding quantity.